In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the PayPal app on your Android phone. So it's important to make sure that you've got internet connection or mobile data enabled. So go ahead and open up the Play Store app. Once the app loads, click on Search at the bottom. Then in the search bar at the top, tap Inside, and then when the keyboard appears, type in PayPal. Click on PayPal. Now this is PayPal's home page. You can see information like how many times the app's been downloaded, reviews, etc. When you're ready to download and install, click on the blue Install button. The app will now start downloading to your mobile phone. This could take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, the app will now start installing onto your phone. Once the app is downloaded and installed to your phone, you can click the blue Open button directly from the Play Store to open the app, or you can come out of it, scroll through your app's pages, and the PayPal icon will be saved on your phone, so you can then drag, move it around to wherever you want it for easier access, and then click on it and it will open up the app.